What does refurbished mean? Refurbished means an item that was previously used or returned has been repaired, cleaned, and restored to good working condition so it can be sold again. In simple words, refurbished means repaired and made like new again. Refurbished products are common in electronics such as phones, laptops, and tablets. For example, if someone buys a phone and returns it due to a small defect, the company may fix the issue, test the device, and sell it as refurbished. Refurbished products are usually cheaper than brand new products. They are tested to make sure they work properly. However, they may have minor scratches or small cosmetic marks. There are different types of refurbished items. Manufacturer refurbished means the product was repaired and tested by the original company. Seller refurbished means the product was repaired by a third-party seller. Refurbished does not always mean damaged. Sometimes products are returned simply because the customer changed their mind. Here are some example sentences. I bought a refurbished laptop to save money. The refurbished phone works perfectly. Refurbished products usually come with a warranty. Refurbished items can be a good option for people who want to save money but still get a working product. In simple terms, refurbished means repaired and restored for resale. Easy way to remember, refurbished means fixed and made like new.